How to sign into Xfinity on Roku TV. So first, you're gonna have to open the app from the Xfinity channel in the Roku channel store and choose the sign in option. But before that, there are a few requirements. So devices must be on minimum firmware version 8.1 or B1 or higher. The Xfinity Stream app will only appear in the Roku channel store for eligible devices. But once you have fit with those requirements, you can go ahead and continue with the signing up process. So after pressing on the sign in button in the top right corner, you'll see an activation code like this. So make sure you note this down or just copy it if you want. Then go to the xfinity.com/authorize on your computer or mobile device. So it's going to be like this, where you can enter your code. So paste in the code that you noted down, then press on continue. Once that is done, you can go ahead and enter your Xfinity ID and password, then just go ahead and sign in. If you have any problems with that, there is options in the bottom that could help you with your specific problem, but it's gonna show something like this where it says success. Then there's going to be terms of activation. Just go ahead and press on yes after reading it. But if you don't want to read it, of course, you don't really have to. Put in the name for your device and then select confirm. You'll see the main menu and you will be ready to begin using the app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.